All right, so this is the old cover we're getting ready to place. You can see it's cracked, and up here is what's getting me. So wasn't so much worried about that one. It's behind it, but I'm driving down the road. I don't like this one. It's starting to lift up, and I'm just gonna pull the caulk out and then pull the screws out, and I'll have a new one put on, and I'll come back after I do that. I don't want to bore you all with me pulling caulk out. So okay, so I took the caulk out of the holes, and now I'm just gonna remove the Phillips head screwdrivers. Let's see, I don't know if you can see them or not. I don't think so. But there's Phillips heads down there. There's 4 of them. I'm gonna pull that out. And today it's like, I don't know, I'm in the shade. It's probably 68 degrees out, and I can feel the warm air coming out of here. And that's what this vent's for. It's the refrigerator letting it out. So just warm air, not hot. Okay, so I got the screws backed out. Just so you know, they were square head. They weren't Phillips. So I'm gonna take this off of here now, like so. And then I'll just clean out my screening. I like to check and make sure the screen's still in good shape, which this one is. And then you can see down in there, see the back of the refrigerator there. So yeah, and get ready to clean this out next. Okay, so if you're taking the rest off, what I do is I get a heat gun, I heat this up, and then it actually peels off pretty good with just a very dull putty knife, and I'll just take it off. And I usually keep the putty knife towards the inside edges, and then I peel it out that way, so that's what works really good. Now's a good time just to check for any holes or cracks. Like I got cracking over here, so I'm gonna redo that while I got it open. And I like to have mine built up a little so that it doesn't want to go down in, like, see right there? I don't want the water resting in here. I prefer it run around the outside edge of this. So that's just me and my preference, but I'll do all the little spots, seal it up, and then put the new top on it. Okay, I did the caulking around the outside, as you can see. And then with this cover here, I got this Camco one, because it was like 14 bucks shipped to the house. So we'll give it a try. It comes with these little brackets because the dimensions are a little off. And then next I'm going to just drill some holes in here, some pilot holes for it, that's all. It came with good directions though, I'll say that. If you've lost your directions or didn't get them. There you go, okay. If you need more time on it, you'll just have to pause the video. Okay, in the instruction it tells you have to put on here to drill this out. You're going to drill these out with an 1/8 inch pilot hole. You can see in there, that's what I did. And then on this top, it tells you to drill out, if yours is Dometic, to drill this out with a 5/16. So that's what I did. All right, and then we're gonna get ready to put it on there and tighten it down. Don't over drill these because the screw's actually gonna rest against this. That's what's gonna hold it on. It's not recessed like your old unit, like that one was. Okay. Okay, so now I've put it on. You can see the screws in there. Mine's Dometic base, so the top uses the D's. Those are the dimples. I wouldn't try screwing through it, I'll be honest with you. It was thick. When they said it was thin at those points, it wasn't that much thinner, I didn't feel. I do feel that the cover is nice and thick. It's definitely as thick, if not thicker, than the old unit. And so, yeah, I like it. I use my little rigid 12 volt. I love those. Unfortunately, I don't make them anymore, but I do love them. If you can find an old set of used ones, that's a good pickup. They're really good. I've got that, the impact gun. I got the whole set of that. And then for screwdrivers, I love those. Those are good quality. Husky, I get those from Home Depot too. And then this South wire, I'll actually keep this in the RV. So it's a 12-way screwdriver. So it comes with the square ends. So like when we had to take off today, it has that on there. It's got Phillips flathead and then a couple different nut sizes on there. So it comes in really handy. I just leave it there. Then when I need it, it's there. But yeah, now I just got to caulk up the tops of each one of these and we'll be all done. Okay, with the caulk on, the cover's all finished. You can see it looks like you could get water in there, but there's actually a little baffle there that makes sure it can't go in. So yeah, I mean, it can go down through, definitely let the air out easier and stuff. You know, we'll see how it holds up, and I'll do like I do on all my other videos. If it breaks or if I have a problem with it, I will update on it, and I usually try to update on anything that's wrong with it. So here's the unit we got, and you know, this is the base we had on here, and then here's the information on it if you need it. I didn't get the solar vent kit. I guess you could put it. I guess you can add it right on here. That's pretty cool. One thing they didn't spare expense on for sure was the stickers. I tried peeling it off, but boy, that thing's stuck on there good. So I decided just to leave it. But who knows? Maybe I'll do that little solar vent next. That might be cool. So we'll see if I can find one of those on a deal. I got this one, like I said. I can't remember if it was eBay or Amazon, but it was only like 14 bucks. It was way cheaper than normal. That was shipping and everything. So I was like, yep, we'll do that deal. So thanks for watching. If this helped you out, cool. And have a blessed day.